Hello students, another set of commands, and in this one we're going to talk about last command, ps command, kill command, rm command, and mkdir. With last command we can watch users activity in the system. There also it will display complete users info like terminal, time, date, system reboot or boot, and kernel version. So you can just do last. Okay. And I have to keep saying that, but since I'm the only user logged in, that's why you're not seeing so much activity on the system. And I don't have another system which is active enough where I could show you more users. So sorry about that, but I just want to show you at least how to use the command so you can use it on a system that's production system and you need to test this. Just make sure whatever you can run without being a root user, do it without being the root user, because root is kind of dangerous. You don't want to edit accidentally or make mistakes while being a root user. To try to test these on a sandbox environment or test environment first and then run it. Although this is last, doesn't edit anything, it's just showing you stuff. You can do last with the username also, say last root or last whatever user you have on the machine. Next we have ps command. So the ps command displayed about processes running on the system. And we can do ps-ef, and we can grep for init process, which is the initialization process. Okay, and can do ps-ef and grep for anything, any kind of process. Grep for http. If it was running, it will show up. Next command is the kill command. So suppose if we were to run ps-ef and grep for any kind of process, http, then what you would see right now, it's not running, so it's not showing anything, but this is the PID of the command. So suppose this process, you want to get rid of it because it's causing some problems or it needs to be restarted. Then you'll do a kill-9 and then the PID of the process, like this, and it'll kill this process so you can restart it or whatever you need to do. Next command is the remove command. So we have several files. Suppose if I want to remove my file 1, I'll just do rm file 1, gone. If you do an ls, it's gone now. So that's what rm is good for. And last but not the least, and this is something I've already showed you actually somewhere in the middle of the lectures, is the mkdir command, is make directory. Okay, and I can say tomorrow is my directory, and if you see now I'm showing 2 directories in there, and the latest one is called tomorrow.